In this video, I am going to show you on how you can create a group in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, click right here on the top left button, named Support, and then a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Admin Center. After that, click on People on the left panel, and then under Team, click on Groups. This is where you can add and create a new group. So click right here, make a group name, add a short description, and you can even set this as the default group for all team members. Now, search for team members in this group by adding in or typing in the name of the team members right here. Or you can see the possible additions on your right side. So simply click on these buttons under the plus icon to automatically add those members to this group. Then, once you're done, click on save. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, please feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.